Students, welcome to the class. This is Dr. Sanjana Sharma from the Department of English. As you know, we are doing the textual analysis of the essay My Wood by famous British essayist E.M. Forster. Till now, we have discussed that Forster tries to prove that property or materialistic belongings, they are heavy on us. How they are heavy on us? He opines that they are a sort of a burden on our heart and mind. With the possession of property, we don't feel light. Psychologically and emotionally, sometimes we feel bogged down. Property, it has a great psychological effect. It changes our behavior. It makes us behave in a peculiar way. To prove his point, Forster has given us example from Tolstoy. And I told you yesterday that he has given us an example from Tolstoy, and we read his story in our BA Part 1. How much land does a man need? So in the story, Pahom is there who ultimately loses his life due to his feeling of greed. And we have also read that he gives us biblical reference as well to prove his point. So let us continue the textual analysis and open your book on page number 137. We are in the middle of paragraph number 2. Sometimes the Gospels proceed further and say with Tolstoy that property is sinful. They approach the difficult ground of asceticism here, where I cannot follow them. But as to the immediate effects of property on people, they just show straightforward logic. It produces men of weight. Men of weight cannot by definition move like the lightning from the east to the west. An ascent of 14-stone bishop into pulpit is thus the exact antithesis of the coming of Son of Man. Who is Son of Man? Son of Man is used for Jesus Christ. 14 stone. 1 stone is equal to 14 pounds. Means a very heavy, bulky person. A portly person. So, if we have gathered too much property, if we have too much worldly associations, then we feel heavy. Our heart and mind are all the time engrossed with these properties. All the time we are thinking about their safety. We are planning how to enhance them. And we feel a sense of burden. My wood makes me feel heavy. He again reiterates that my property doesn't make me feel light. In the second phase, it makes me feel it ought to be larger. Now he discusses his second feeling about the property. Once you have possessed property, what do you want? You want it to increase. If we have money, we want more money. If we have a piece of land, we crave for more land. Just as we read how much land does a man need, in which a person, the hero of the story, Pahom, keeps on. He craves for creating more and more property. So the second point is, the first point is that it makes us feel heavy. Second point is that once you possess property, the feeling, when he was asked by his contemporaries, his colleagues, his friends, that how does he feel after purchasing that wood that was his first property, he says that he he recounts his experience, and he says that after purchasing that piece of land, I felt heavy. The second thing that occurs to his heart and mind is that once we have possessed something, we want to increase that property, or if it is money, we want to acquire more and more money. So students, this much for today's class. We will continue the textual analysis of the essay in our next class. So thank you very much.